Imagine this. 50 to 70% of the tasks in your business are like running on a treadmill. Repetitive, time-consuming, and, honestly, a little exhausting. We're talking about the kind of work that involves sharing the same information over and over again. Think about it. Qualifying website visitors, answering the same customer questions, explaining your products or services, and training new team members. Sounds familiar? Now, what if I told you there's a way to hand off these tasks to a new team member who's not just good at them, but exceptional? This superstar works at lightning speed, personalizes every interaction, speaks multiple languages, never sleeps, never takes a vacation, and costs way less than your daily coffee run. Do you want to see this superstar in action? Of course you do. Well, here it is, your very own ibentos AI virtual assistant, ready to step in, take over, and make your team wonder how they ever survived without it. Now you must be wondering, how many days or months would it take to build and train this AI superstar? Guess what? It actually took 15 minutes and 4 simple steps. Yep, you heard that right. No months of development, no endless training sessions, just quick, easy, and ready to roll. Here's how it works. Step 1. Define your AI assistant's personality, purpose, tone, languages and accent, and basic instructions. Step 2. Feed your assistant with subject matter knowledge. Upload your PDF files, like info about your company, products, etc. Step 3. Style your assistant. Choose the avatar, their attire, and their look. Step 4. Whoa! It's ready to be published on your website, mobile, tablets, kiosks, and even print. Wasn't that simple and quick? But wait, there's more. Here are some insights that make this AI assistant a game changer. Turn casual website visitors into potential leads by gathering user data seamlessly. A dive into customer conversations to gain valuable insights into their needs and preferences. The system provides concise summaries, so your team can pick up right where the AI left off, focusing only on the important stuff. Conversations are flagged into different categories, helping your team know exactly what needs immediate attention, and much more. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to upgrade your business, give your team the support they deserve, and let the ibentos AI virtual assistant handle the heavy lifting. Sign up now!